Waiting for the right time, you missed the right time. Mr. Yo, waiting for the right time, you missed the right You better grab it, lolly, carry it. You wanna have it, you better snatch it and you better go and grab it. The more that you wait, the more time escapes. I guarantee you when I see your face, you see how I like. Your love does something to me. I mean, like gold, feel like robbery is after you done took something from me. Like my heart is in your hands, following God's plan. How the fuck you do it, but it's going to chance. Waiting on love, waiting on love. You waiting for love, you waiting for love. Why you waiting? Why you waiting? Why you waiting?
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay.
They wrapping it. They went overtime. OT. Shout out to the CEO. Shout out to the boss. Thank you. We love you, bro. Give it up.
I just got one question. Now that man came all the way from Westchester, wherever he came from. He came all the way out here to play. Now, are we gonna let that man in blue sweatshirt get his actual one last song in here? Because that man came from so far and paid money to get out here and play. Now, wait a minute. Now, hold on.
I sing.
Alright, but let that man one opportunity to play. Let him get a song in here now. He done came too far. Alright, okay, he put it away. I mean, I'm like, he's been very graceful. He let everybody else play and said, when he was actually supposed to be the house drummer. He was. But, I mean, I was just saying, give that man one song. Give that man. Just give that man one song.
Let's start. You can start something. Start something.
I'm ready.
It don't gotta be 30 minutes. It don't gotta be 30 minutes.
Yeah,
It
start
could be 3, it could
playing
be
something.
5 minutes.
Whatever you feel.
I mean, it might be a say 10, but like it don't have to go 1 minute. And if the staff wants to leave, so make it fast if the staff wants to leave. I mean, they want to leave 30 minutes though. I'm holding. You got one song and it cannot be 30 minutes. It can't be 20, it can't be 15.
You'll lead it. All right, Deacon is gonna lead us out. And when Deacon gives a look like, we got what did you do? Who are you fooling? What has got into you? How are you moving? I know it's time you see.
filling in the holes where they were needed. Thank you for also leading us, starting us. Come on, church. Come on, church. SubTerra Sound NYC. This jam has officially.
Okay, Shaggy. I wasn't playing hard enough. He said it wasn't me. This man said, there's a word of Shaggy. No,